the Sishu loans of Mudra. This is a way in which we are going to help the smallest of small credit takers from the banks, where after the RBI giving 3 months moratorium, when they come back to have to pay the interest, the EMI, they will have a little problem, and we want to support them with some interest subvention. Incentive being, if you pay in time promptly, you get the 2% incentive, interest subvention incentive. So the current portfolio of Mudra Sishu loans, you know Mudra has 3 different types of loans. The Sishu is up to 50,000 is what they take as loan, only 50,000 rupees or less. People who have taken loans 50,000 or lesser, after the 3-month moratorium, when they come back to paying the EMIs, will have for the next 12 months an interest subvention support which will be of 2%, and that support will entail a total relief of 1,500 crores, which is for all the Sishu loan holders. Now, I just want to give you a broad indication of number. I don't think it's possible for me to straight away tell you the exact number, but I can indicate to you, because up to 50,000 will mean some people will have 10,000, some might have 15,000, some others might have 20. So actually, to get the actual number of beneficiaries, I might need a little more time, but roughly, if this outstanding is 1.62 lakh crores, if the total outstanding of Sishu loans under the Mudra category is 1.62 lakh crores, and on the assumption that all of them have taken 50,000, the maximum limit, it will be something like 3 crore, more than 3 crore people. And therefore, if this 3 crore is a conservative estimate, it can be slightly more than that. It will benefit. This 2% interest subvention will benefit about 3 crore people who are beneficiaries of the Mudra Sishu loan. I'm not talking of all the 3 categories, only the Sishu category, which means 50,000 or less loans.
जो मुद्रा शिशु ऋण श्रेणी में लोग आते हैं, उनके लिए 1500 करोड़ रुपए की जो ब्याज में राहत देने की योजना मोदी सरकार लाई है, ताकि गरीब से गरीब व्यक्ति को उसका लाभ मिल सके। 1,62,000 करोड़ रुपया आज तक इस मुद्रा शिशु लोन के अंतर्गत दिया है, जो आउटस्टैंडिंग है, और इस योजना के माध्यम से लगभग 3 करोड़ ऐसे लोगों को लाभ मिलने वाला है, और ये कुल लाभ 1500 करोड़ रुपए के लगभग होगा। जो देश भर में मुद्रा शिशु लोन वाले हैं, उनको 1500 करोड़ रुपए का लाभ इस योजना के माध्यम से मोदी सरकार देगी, कि उनके ब्याज में 2% की राहत, छूट नरेंद्र मोदी जी की सरकार वहन करेगी, यानी कि मोदी सरकार उसका खर्चा उठाएगी और गरीब को राहत देगी।
The next step is towards street vendors, for whom we are giving a special credit facility for about 5,000